हेलो स्टूडेंट, क्लास 12 फिजिक्स। हमने प्रीवियस क्लासेस में कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स के बारे में स्टडी किए थे। इसमें से फर्स्ट था सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशंस एंड नाउ टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशंस। व्हाट इज पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ कैपेसिटर्स? these types of questions and formulas of parallel combinations for capacitors. Now let's start. In parallel combinations of capacitors, first plate of all capacitors are connected to one point A and second plate of each are connected to another point B. Let's, in this picture we have three capacitors C1, C2 and C3 respectively joined in parallel. C1, C2 and C3 are joined in parallel, and suppose plus Q charge is given to the point A. पॉइंट ए पे हम एक बैटरी को यूज करके यहाँ पे प्लस क्यू चार्ज पॉइंट ए पे प्रोवाइड करते हैं. देन चार्ज गेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन ईच कैपेसिटर्स अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर कैपेसिटीज. क्यू इज प्रोपोर्शनल टू सी. इन दिस कंडीशंस जो चार्जेस है वो इन तीनों कैपेसिटर्स पे डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाएंगे. बाय द इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक इंडक्शंस, equal amount of negative charge is produced on the inner surface of second plate of capacitors. Inductions of equal amount of minus q charges, inner surface of second plate of capacitor, and free charge or positive charge are developed on outer surface which goes to the earth because point B is connected to the earth. Then जो यहाँ पे outer side of the plate, second plate of the capacitors प्लस चार्ज जो इंड्यूस्ड होगा वो अर्थ हो जाएगा. Then now as all three capacitors are joined between the same point A and B, hence पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस बिटवीन द प्लेट्स, जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस V है ऑफ ईच कैपेसिटर्स रिमेन्स सेम, V एंड V, एंड इक्वल टू अप्लाइड द वोल्टेज V. इन दिस कंडीशंस लेट चार्ज ऑन कैपेसिटर्स, लेट्स charge in capacitors C1, C2 and C3 are Q1, Q2 and Q3. Then in these conditions the total charge Q is distributed in three charges Q1, Q2 and Q3. That means Q that is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3. Equation number first. By the theory of capacitors, by the theory of capacitor, Q1 is proportional to C1, or also we can write Q1 that is equal to C1 V. Similarly Q2 that is equal to C2 V and Q3 that is equal to C3 V. Now put the value of Q1, Q2 and Q3 in above equation number first. Then from equation number first put in the value of Q1, Q2 and Q3 in equation number first. Then we have Q that is equal to C1 V plus C2 V plus C3 V, or in this term V and V is a common, then also Q that is equal to V is common, then C1 plus C2 plus C3 in bracket. Equation number 2. Now, if the equivalent capacitance, this combination is C, if the equivalent capacitance, these combinations, this combination is C, then Q that is equal to CV. Q that is equal to CV. Then now putting the value of Q in equation number 2, then from equation number 2 and 3. From equation number 2 and 3 we can write CV that is equal to V C1 plus C2 plus C3 in bracket, then both side V to V cancel out, C that is equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. This is the required formulas of capacitance in parallel combinations of capacitors. Hence, in parallel combinations of capacitors, the equivalent capacitance is equal to the sum of the individually capacitance. Now, our next topics: energy stored in a capacitor. Energy stored in a capacitor. It is important topic. Energy stored in capacitors. Work has to be done in charging a capacitor. This amount of work done is stored in the capacitor in the form of its electrostatic potential energy. Now repeating again, work has to be done in चार्जिंग कैपेसिटर्स, जो कैपेसिटर के जो चार्जिंग्स पे जो वर्क होता है, इट्स अमाउंट ऑफ वर्क डन इज स्टोर्ड इन द कैपेसिटर्स इन द फॉर्म ऑफ इट्स इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. जो वही जो हमारे पास जो वर्क है, जो वर्क डन हो रही है, वो इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक पोटेंशियल एनर्जीज के रूप में क्या होता है, स्टोर होती है. नाउ द प्रोसेस ऑफ चार्जिंग्स ऑफ कैपेसिटर इज इक्विवेलेंट टू द प्रोसेस ऑफ transforming the charge from one plate to the another. Therefore, it can be assumed that the charge in transferred from one plate to another in large number of small fractions. In these conditions, now we can assume, let at one instant of time q dash be the charge on first plate का चार्ज प्लस q dash and minus q dash be the charge on second plate of the capacitors. Repeating again, let at one instant of time q dash be the charge on first plate and minus q dash be the charge on second plate of the capacitor. Then potential difference between them V dash that is equal to q dash upon C. The definitions of potential charge and relations between V dash that is equal to q dash upon C. This is equation number first. Now in these equations where C is capacitance of capacitors, C is a capacitance of capacitors, where C is a capacitance of capacitor. Now let this stand additional charge. Let at this stand additional charge dq dash be transferred from one plate to the another plate. छोटा सा एडिशनल चार्ज टी क्यू डैश ट्रांसफर होता है फर्स्ट प्लेस से सेकंड प्लेस. इन दिस कंडीशन वर्क डन इन दिस प्रोसेस डी डब्ल्यू दैट इज इक्वल टू वी डैश डी क्यू डैश. स्मॉल वर्क डी डब्ल्यू दैट इज इक्वल टू वी डैश डी क्यू डैश. Putting the value of v dash in equation number first, then from equation number first we can write dw that is equal to v dash की वैल्यू q dash upon c and dq dash. It is small work for initial additional charge q dash. Now the total work done in transforming the entire charge, the total work in these conditions, therefore the total work done in transforming the entire charge in these conditions, total work W that is equal to 0 to Q dW. Putting the value of dW in above equations, dW की वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट करते हैं. Then 0 to Q dash upon C dQ dash, where C is a constant. Then 1 upon C is out of integrations, then 0 to q dash dq dash. We know that the integration of x power n dx that is equal to x n plus 1 upon n plus 1. In these conditions, q dash power has in power of q dash is 1, then we can write 1 upon c q dash square upon 2 and dq dash. Sorry, lower limit 0 to upper limit q. Then applying the limit, upper limit minus lower limit, then 1 upon 2c and q square minus 0 square, or also we can write 1 by 2 q square by c. According to the definitions, this work done is stored in the capacitor in the form of its electrostatic potential energy. Then electrostatic potential energy is noted by U, or also we can write U that is equal to 1 by 2 Q square by C. This is the required formula for energy stored in capacitors, 1 by 2 Q square upon C.